Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you bank with Wells Fargo and need help, maybe you lost your debit card, have a transaction issue or can't log in, today I will walk you through all the best ways to contact Wells Fargo customer service plus some tips to make your issue resolved quicker. So let's get started. First step. Call the right phone number. The fastest method for any issues is the phone. Here are some main numbers. You can simply screenshot it and use it whenever you need it. Second step, secure email and online messaging. If your concern is not urgent or involves documents or screenshots, you can use secure email or online feedback via Wells Fargo website. Sometimes in the online banking portal, there are secure messaging options. Those are great for privacy and slower issues. Third step, report fraud or suspicion. If you suspect fraud or unauthorized access, call 1-866-867-556 immediately. This number handles fraud or suspicious activity. If your debit or credit card is lost or stolen, call the card's phone number. Fourth step, bank-specific help and branch visit. If you have a local branch nearby, visiting in person can help with things like ID verification or if something is complicated. Also, some services like mortgage or home equity have special hours, so check the hours listed on Wells Fargo's site before calling. And let me help you with the script when contacting support as well. You can simply use a script like this, where you mention your name, your email, your phone number, your contact info, where you are describing your issues and mentioning date and time with some error and messages. And yes, that's how you ask for help. And that's it. Those are the most direct ways to reach Wells Fargo customer service: by phone, email, fraud line, or visiting a branch. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.